you. They don't know you, so why you gotta try so hard to make them like you, to make them really like you? When you tell me that you don't really care what they don't like you, they don't even try to. They'll try to fight you and find a way to tear you down, and it affects you, hate that it affects you. When you tell me that you don't really care what they think, haters will hate and the players will dream.
And the participation ribbon goes to camera person.
Nice. Hey everyone, welcome to #1 Christmas edition, Cooking with Rick and Rye. We're gonna do 3 all through December, right? You said all through December.
Do I get a present every time?
Every time you get a present.
Oh, what's
I got a special present. Like my hat, by the way, look. You just poke a button and it sings to you. And it has this little fucking freaky thing on top. Look,
Oh,
you can try it. Look, right, you can try it. Look.
It's like you know what you could use it
Like
for?
a little vibrator.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It'd be like.
Okay, so back to
Whatever.
Cooking with Rick and Rye,
Yeah.
episode 22. Nachos.
22.
We don't have a cool name yet. We'll think of a cool name, right?
We don't have to tell the people that. Why don't you just say we're doing nachos?
Okay,
And then we add it in, we
nachos,
have a
then
fucking
we'll do a
cool
cool
name.
name.
And we have like fucking like Run DMC Christmas fucking hip hop playing in the
Alright.
background.
So, nachos. I don't know. I'm just gonna do.
Richard's gonna do obviously a lot because he's got fucking like butterfly to fucking tenderloins
Yeah,
and
and I
chicken
got
breast.
some tomatoes. I got
the
some
mint.
onions. Got my muffaletta. Nice olive.
Okay.
What do you got?
I've got fucking stuff to make nachos.
All right.
Nacho stuff.
Like
Nacho.
Christmas nachos, like nachos. Where's my button, right?
Well, I got nachos.
Alright.
Some of the chips are red. I make my nachos fucking top notch nachos. None of this corn. I do it special.
Alright.
And it's actually really good. And you
So-
can eat these for dinner.
Alright, so we're doing special nachos with rye.
Special nachos with rye.
Okay.
And camera
So
closer.
cheers.
Cheers.
I guess we're ready to go then.
Oh, that's so good. Let's do some shit. I gotta cook some meat and bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, zada zing. He's using mint, by the way. Who the fuck puts mint in the fucking nachos?
What do you mean my nachos? You mean a dip?
I got dropped off today. You're like, not great. Ryan's getting dropped off. He's
Holy
getting
fuck,
fucked
I
up.
gotta deal with fucking Ryan
Yeah.
again.
Ryan's getting dropped off and we're cooking fuck all today. So it's
Uh-oh.
Richard makes the conglomeration.
Yeah.
Well, Ryan gets fucked up and steals half his ingredients.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna be like. That's alright. Okay, we got mint in here, we got garlic and mint. I'll add a little salt. Right, where's my salt?
Got it. What?
They don't like you, they don't really like you. They don't know you, so why you gotta try so hard to make them like you, to make them really like you? When you tell me that you don't really care what they don't like you.
What's filming me? Come on.
And so we have lemon juice, mint, garlic, and salt in there. Strained, and adding our mint. And this will just be a nice, cool dip for spicy nachos. And then we'll just mix this around.
Cool.
Then tell me who is to blame when you choose.
So that's our dip. So we'll throw it in the fridge. It'll set up a bit.
I made my own taco seasoning.
You did?
There's actually everything in the sun under here. This is it. I got garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chili powder, cayenne, hot pepper flakes, oregano, salt, and pepper.
Mama, don't be dumb, give on the thumbs. You will always be so great. Go in your own way.
See the gracefulness he put that down with? Oh yeah. Look at that. No one slices pork tenderloin like Ricardo here.
And when you sing it with a voice like that, critics will write and the singers will sing. And I believed what they said, so you can blame.
Fuck. Make sure you're getting how to put oil in a pan.
How to put oil in a pan.
That is how you fucking do it with oil.
And we're putting our pork tenderloin in there. It's gonna go in our nachos.
Don't be dumb, give on the thumb. You will always be so great. Don't be dumb, give on the thumb.
Put that moisture out. Oh, quick, quick, quick! We gotta know how to stir the tenderloin. This is my station.
Your station needs to be watched. It's got fucking chicken all over it now.
It's alright. What the fuck, man? Oh, Ricardo's cruising for a bruising today.
And I went to bed, now I'm up in my apartment screaming. Don't believe it, trolls on the internet. Don't be dumb, give up the thumb. Don't be dumb, give up the thumb. Don't be dumb, give up the thumb. You will always be so great. Don't be dumb, give up the thumb. Don't be dumb, give up the thumb. Don't be dumb.
That hurt.
So great. They don't like you, they don't really like you. They don't know you, so why you gotta try so hard to make them like you, to make them really like you. When you tell me that you don't really care what they do. They don't like you, they don't even try to. They'll try to fight you and find a way to tear you down, and it affects you. Hate that it affects you. When you tell me that you don't really care what they think.
Why are you beating me? Why are we doing it together?
That was good too.
Not good. Okay, right, the beef tenderloin, almost done. Now we do our chicken up. Okay, so I got my tenderloin and we're gonna blitz it up.
You will always be so great. Don't be dumb, give on the thumb. Don't be dumb, give on the thumb.
And we're doing the same thing with the chicken that we did with the pork. Just gonna blitz it up a bit.
Go in your own way. I'm a bruiser, I got so much to show. A stupid jacket should've looked this time. Doing so fancy texting, no, I'm probably too emotional. But would they listen when they sing you with them?
So we're gonna make a rapini. And we got olive oil. Just gonna throw our garlic in there.
So sing. And I believed what they said, so you can blame it on me.
Sounds like
Almost ready to put together some nachos.
Give on the thumb. Don't be dumb. Give on the thumb. Mama, don't be dumb.
La bechamel. So this is just a little cheese sauce. So you just want a little bit of butter, a little bit of flour. Let it come together a bit.
it's a roux. Once you add the cheese, bechamel. What was that episode? Mayhem of the Mac?
Yep. Here, a little milk. Thicken this guy up a bit. Okay, so for the cheese sauce you want about a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon of flour, and we're gonna add about a cup of milk.
Scream, don't believe it, trolls on the internet. I believed everything they said. I read it all and I went to bed. Now I'm up in.
And we're gonna add a little bit of.
Did you see that slap?
the mama, the slap your mama.
Good.
Fuck.
Rick's a little fucked up.
Don't fucking smoke up when I'm cooking.
It's all over the floor. Is that enough? No?
No, a little bit more. We want this a dipping sauce, right? So, good. No, I think that's good. We don't need more milk. Look at that. That's nice. That's really good.
They don't like you, they don't really like you. They don't know you, so why you gotta try so hard to make them like you, to make them really like you? When you tell me that you don't really care what they do. They don't like you, they don't even try to. They'll try to fight you and find a way to tear you down, and it affects you. Hate that it affects you when you tell me that.
Look at this fry. It looks great. Look.
Ooh,
Look at that.
looks good.
That is perfect.
Then tell me who is to blame when you choose to.
Yes.
Slice, dice, chop, and fry.
Give on the song, don't be dumb. Give on the song, mama, don't be dumb. Give on the song. You will always be so great. Don't be dumb. Give on the song. Don't be dumb. Give on the song, mama.
Very coarse chop.
Coarse chop. Coarse chop salsa. What are you using, Doritos?
Yep, because this is the fucking way to do it.
It's fake flavor.
No, it's enhanced flavor. Already cooked flavor.
Oh.
This is enhanced flavor.
Okay, I got a little bit of my chicken here.
Now anyone,
Got a little bit of my pork here.
when you're making nachos, there's no wrong way to make nachos. But I'll tell you what,
And I got my
the
cheese.
secret ingredient is this bitch right here. Couple corn tortillas.
And I'm gonna add a little bit of rapini.
You okay, Richard?
I'm okay.
You will always be so great. Don't be dumb, give on the song. Don't be dumb, give on the song. Mama, don't be dumb, give on the song. You will always be so great.
No! I'm tired of the ear fucking and
I'm not, it's just, I thought you wanted to taste my meat.
No! Why can't I open the cheese? I got the cheese. What the fuck is wrong with cameras? Oh, this one's like wet fucking slimy.
Even if cheese is cheating, it's talk nacho cheese.
I know.
It's fucking seasoned cheese.
I saw it and I had to buy it.
Holy fuck.
Alright, you do that. What are we doing that? Richard's going in the oven.
Going in.
Going in hot!
Don't be dumb, give on the song. Mama, don't be dumb, give on the song. You will always be so great. Going your own way.
I can't believe how much you cheat in cooking.
It's not cheating.
It's cheating.
No,
Make
it's
your
not.
own flavor.
You didn't make your fucking chips.
They're fucking plain chips.
Don't really care what they do. They don't like you, they don't even try to. They'll try to fight you.
Alright, try this, try this.
Motherfucker! This is my favorite shirt. You're such a dick. And there's fucking chips cracking under me.
What they think. Don't be dumb.
Supreme Nachos.
Fucking throw it all on. It's a fucking 2 days to fucking melt. Nice meat ride.
I know. That's the spice of meat you got there. Fucking heavy. Why you gotta fuck with the
I just jalapenos on it. Looks nice. Look.
Yeah, I like it. Presentation.
The stupid drunk should've looked this time soon. So fancy texting, no, I'm probably too emotional. But would they listen when they sing you with a voice like that? Critics will write and the singers will sing.
It's fucking stoner food,
Okay,
man.
but fuck. You should just take the water out before you do this.
Well, I just feel like I'm more of a screamer than a singer anyways. Whatever.
Don't be dumb.
Which is good for some shit. Fuck, thank God I got a fucking Michelin star chef.
Exactly.
You will always be so great. Don't be dumb, give them the thumb. Don't be dumb.
Voila. That's a fancy word too.
I already got mine
Your own
in.
way.
So I had my mint sauce, muffaletta, my cheese sauce.
Yep.
You gonna try, right?
Yeah. Oh, look, I got corn chip. Oh, the
So
Doritos.
you put a little bit of mint sauce on it. Try that, right?
Fuck me in a tree, that's good.
And wait.
Fried wings. That's a good kicker. Alright.
Cools it down. Nice mint.
Fuck me. I wouldn't have done that. Because I thought that was going to be shit with it.
Nice. Cools the spice down.
That's good.
Okay, one more, right? Here.
Try mine.
We'll try yours in a sec. Try that. Just invite.
That's good. I like it. I'm just not a big fan of con queso, that's all.
Okay. Alright.
But it fucking tastes great, it's great. I just don't like the running cheese. I like the gooey stream.
Okay.
Get some corn chip. Oh.
Alright, so I got this one. Look at that one.
That one might be the spicy Dorito. That's the jalapeno Dorito. Get some ground beef and some corn chip on it. Look at that. Give her a little douser in the sour cream. Fuck me, that's good. You gotta admit, that's fucking good. That's nice and salty as fuck too.
I take Doritos.
That's what makes it salty. This makes it, I love using Doritos. Flavor enhancer.
Yeah, it just tastes like Doritos.
You will always be so great.
Awesome nachos from both parties.
Yep.
Doritos and Fritos.
This is a fucking dinner in itself.
It is a damn stuff. Okay, we're all fucked up. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. Cooking Rick and Rye. See you next week.
I'm a bruiser, I got so much to show. The stupid jacket should've looked this time soon. So fancy texting, no, I'm probably too emotional. But would they listen when they sing you with a voice like that? Critics will write and the singers will sing. And I believed what they said, so you can blame it on me.
Well, I just feel like I'm more of a screamer than a singer anyways. Whatever.
Don't be dumb, give them the thumb. Don't be dumb, give them the thumb. Mama, don't be dumb, give them the thumb.